In this video, I'm going to show you how to update some SEO strategies in your website pages. So from the Squarespace dashboard, navigate to the Pages section. On the left-hand side, you will see your pages, and when you hover over, click on the settings icon on a particular page. You'll see that you have this page settings module that pops up, and there are a few options where you can add in some of your page titles. So here, for example, the page title, this is the title that appears in the top of the browser window. So this is what's going to show up in the top of the browser when you have a bunch of tabs open. So here, for example, you can add in your business name and some keywords that are relevant to your business. The navigation title itself, this is the name that's actually going to show up in the navigation. So for example, at the top of your website, you probably have something that says home, about, services. This is where it's going to say about, so you can still add in extra if you want, but make sure that it's not super long because that's going to be showing up in your website. The URL slug, this means the address of the domain. So it's going to be yourbusinessname.com/about or whatever you put in here. Next, you want to go into the SEO section. And here, this gives you a preview of what it looks like in the search results right now. This is by default, basically what I've put in. We have about Havana Rose, spiritual business coach, and then Havana Rose, the name. However, if you want to override it, you can actually add in something specific here. So as you see, as I type in, it's going to populate at the top whatever I have overwritten. Again, you also have the SEO description on the bottom. This description is automatically generated by the first video that I showed you about how to create your SEO description. However, if you want to override it, you can also override it by adding whatever it is that you fancy here. You also want to make sure that this toggle is off, because if I turn it on, that means that search results are not able to pick up this page. So that's obviously not what we want, because we want you to improve your SEO and we want your search engines to pick up your website. So make sure that this is turned off, and then you can customize this if you wish. Next, we have the social image. So this could be a little thumbnail that shows up. Let's say you're on a Facebook group, somebody has commented on a post and you want to share your website. You can add in an alternative social sharing image, which could just be as simple as your logo, so that every time you comment on Facebook or any other social media channel, that little thumbnail will appear.